Aloha and welcome to a beautiful February 2022 Kaanapali Maui day. Jeremy Stice of Hawaii Life Real Estate Brokers and Hawaii Life Vacations greeting you from the Maui Kaanapali Villas located on the gorgeous sandy shores of North Kaanapali Beach. More specifically, our vacation rental residence E as in Emerald, Residence 292, located here on the inner courtyard overlooking the famous Castaway Cafe directly ahead, the resort pools. Just on the other side of this, you've got the beautiful canopy of trees, the shuffleboard, and then just gorgeous white sand beach directly out front. Perfect for swimming, no coral, just absolutely one of the most fantastic beach locations in all of Maui. Got a spacious covered lanai with all of our beach gear here. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath residence. Beautiful ocean views. Just an absolutely stunning setting. Heading indoors, this residence has been very nicely remodeled throughout. Beautiful high vaulted ceilings. Pull-out sleeper sofa directly ahead on the couch. Nice newer flat screen TV. Remodeled kitchen. Central air conditioning. A fully equipped kitchen. It's a perfect home away from home. Keep a view on the kids while they're playing in the pool out front. And just fantastic views from the interior. Nice colorful tropical artwork. This home is equipped to comfortably sleep 6 with 2 queen beds here in the bedroom area and then the aforementioned pull-out sleeper sofa. Heading out to the balcony area again, great views from the master bedroom. Dresser and flat screen here. Spacious bath, lots of storage in the mirrored closets directly to my left. The washer and dryer directly in the closet ahead. Nice walk-in shower. Beautiful vanity. The owner's closet, which we do keep locked. And then the entryway to the home. So just a fantastic spot for you to enjoy an idyllic Kaanapali Maui vacation with your family. Once again, this has been a tour of Maui Kaanapali Villas, Residence Emerald 292. You can find us online at vacations.hawaiilife.com or inquire directly with our reservations team at mauivacations@hawaiilife.com via email. This is Jeremy Stice of Hawaii Life saying aloha and a hui ho from Kaanapali, Maui.